Kansas City Southern. So as we're going to be talking about Kansas City Southern, them and Canadian Pacific are going to be a big railroad for the U.S. and Mexico and Canadian rail network. So they're going to have to change all these other acts to, something, but that'd be pretty cool. Kansas City Southern Line. Alrighty guys, cool train. We'll see you guys next time.